Looking for something tender and crunchy to prepare and enjoy with your favorite beverage? Well, here at A Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with crunchy chicken tenders. So let's get started. Let's make the chicken batter. Time to marinate the chicken. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 20 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. It is believed that chicken tenders were first made in 1974 at the Puritan Back Room in Manchester, New Hampshire by Charles Pappas. They became popular in the 1980s and 1990s as a meatier fast food option compared to chicken nuggets. Let's prepare the barbecue chipotle sauce. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these chicken tenders are irresistibly crispy and amazing golden exterior. A great choice for appetizer, snacks, or meal courses. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is a great appetizer with your favorite beverage. Stay with us, watch the next videos.